Good day, pioneers across the globe. I want to quickly bring you this video on how you can do your security circle, how you can increase it to 100%, how you can boost your security circle, or how you can start afresh and do your security circle and make it 100%. But before I do that, it is also important that you know the 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 reason why you must increase or why you must set your security circle to 100%. Number one is that it boosts your mining rate. It boosts your mining rate. If you can set your security circle to 100%, it will actually boost your mining rate, and you know what that means. Number two is that there are a lot of people, your friends, that have been mining without telling you. In this setting, the process of this setting will actually expose them. You will be surprised to see that there are a lot of people, even in your contact list, that have been mining pi without telling you. So that is the essence of doing this. So if you want to boost or you want to set your security circle, the first thing you want to do is to come to this three drop line here and click it. When you click it, you go to rows. You click rows. As you can see, as a pioneer, you see this one has been ticked. Then you go to this area where it is called contributor. When you go to contributor, you view it, click view. As you can see, I've already done my own, but for the purpose of this training, I want to redo it again. I want to do it again so that you can know exactly what I'm talking about. And mind you, you can also remove or add to the security circle. If you know that there are some people that are not active, you can actually remove from it. Now the next thing you want to do from there, you can add from existing pi user or add from your contact. So right now I'm going to click to add from contact. You click add from contact, and now when you scroll through, when you scroll down, this is where people that have been mining for a very long time and refuse to carry you along will be exposed. How will you know that these people have been mining for a very long time? You will see the logo of pi against their names. Time you scroll down, against their name, as you can see, this is one of them, like this one. This one has been mining. He didn't allow me to know, so I can now add him to my security circle by clicking on the pi logo, and I confirm. As you can see, this one has been added. I go ahead again, look at this one too. This one has been mining pi without letting me know, so I can now add this one. So this is how you go about it and add them until you have a required number that you want. You can add as many people as possible. You can add as many as 20, 30, it depends. As I look at them, there are so many of them here that have been mining pi without letting me know, without informing me. See, so that is the essence of setting up this security circle. And if you go back to your app, you will notice that it has actually turned green and your security circle is now 100%. So that is the essence of it, and you will notice that your mining rate would have been. I believe this video has actually um helped you to do justice to this issue of security circle. But in case you are still finding it difficult to do your KYC, or you are still contemplating, you don't know how to go about your KYC issue or the ID card that you need to use, please check the link below and watch those videos. And I want to bet you that you will thank me later. A lot of people have been, sharing testimony even on this info them about how magical it was when they followed the instruction in this video, how for their KYC to pop up. You understand? Just watch this video and you come back to info them and share your testimony. And if you are watching for the first time, I want to encourage you that you subscribe to this channel, because everything that you need to know about Pi is right here on info them. You are looking for any information, latest information, break news, anything about Pi, this is the only place where you can get it on info them. That is why it's important that you subscribe to this channel, because when you subscribe, whenever any video is uploaded, you'll be duly notified. So till I see you in my next video, I say be good.